Okay, so today's topic, what I've decided is entrepreneurship a good idea? Like everyone will be having a doubt taking entrepreneurship, or is it possible that everyone can be an entrepreneur, or there is a topic like entrepreneurs are born or made. There are a lot of topics which is going around the market and around us. How to look for an entrepreneurship, like how to get into and how to become an entrepreneur, or my entrepreneurship idea will be a successful or will be a failure idea. We are going to look into all these things. So the next one. See, this is what the students' career cycle. Since you all are from the engineering department and especially from the EEE department, I just want to give you a clear picture how our career goes. See, we do our education, and then we do graduation, and then after that the main real life challenge starts. Till schooling and then till our engineering days, like we never face any challenges, because we are under an umbrella. Till in our school we are under an umbrella of our parents, and in the colleges we are under about from the college and also from the professor. But the real challenge lies when you complete your degree and just get into the real challenging world, because we are not seeing the real challenging world inside the institution. So when you're seeing the real challenging world, we should be in a position to understand what are the challenges will be there ahead. We should understand what are the hurdles we have to face, how we have to overcome that. That is going to be very, very important. At the end of the day, everyone's, including each and everyone in this who is attending this presentation, everyone motivation is to earn money, earn big money, have a sophisticated life, give back the earning back to my family, back to my parents, have an luxurious life. Not only luxurious life, have something, what I have missed all these days, what I have done, like without the support of the parents, I want to just stand on my own leg. I want to take decision making. I want to buy my own house. I want to buy my own car. That there will be a lot of ideas, dreams will be there in each and everyone's mind. So it means that to fulfill all these things, we require money. Money comes from the work what you're going to do and the job what you're going to do after the completion of our engineering. So this is something very, very important, like we all are focused into it. So jobs, earn money, come up in your career, get into the top position, earn big money, have a successful life, show to your parents, show to your relatives, show to your people around you that you have been very successful.